So the real question becomes, if I take it home, will my wife let me keep it if I promise to feed it? Hey, it's Jerry with atbbq.com, and today we're talking about the new Yoder Smokers Loaded Kingman. This has been a year of improvement for Yoder Smokers. They've been changing the pellet grills as well as the new Loaded Wichita, and the new Loaded Kingman is no different. They've made upgrades throughout the grill. Let's go through them now. The first thing you'll notice is that it's on a more mobile cart. With the casters on front, it's easier to move around the backyard to adjust for wind or to change your patio setup when needed. Along with the improved mobility is a stainless work surface that can be removed for storage. And being a 24-inch cooker, this thing has a monster firebox, which allows you to move your fire anywhere you want, but also use larger splits of wood if needed. And for grilling directly over the fire, you have 304 stainless grates, which is one of the best things about Yoder offsets. And the use of 304 stainless bar grates continues all the way across the 24 by 52 inch cooking chamber, which gives you over 2,200 square inches of cooking space. In keeping with the new standard for the upper shelves, the front half is actually removable, allowing you to reach the back of the grill easier. And the second shelf is extremely sturdy, allowing you to slide it out, put up to 150 pounds on it, and then slide it back in. And the upper shelf is fully removable when not needed. And the main grates below are also 304 stainless with 5 removable panels. This allows for better airflow and easier cleaning. And the really cool thing about these stainless steel shelves is that they're available as an accessory kit for the older Kingmans as well. And because what happens under the grate is extremely important, you have the Yoder Smokers heat management plate distributing heat evenly across. And dual thermometers mounted in the lid help you to monitor that temperature all the way across. And to help with the airflow through the cooking chamber, there's also a taller stack that allows for more draw. So what makes a 24-inch smoker unique? It's the fact that you get better control, better airflow, and better heat management from that larger firebox and the larger cooking chamber. So Yoder Smokers isn't trying to change the offset experience. They're trying to refine it. You can check out the Loaded Kingman 24-inch grill and much more at atbbq.com. We'll see you next time.